Here are the member of Undecided Code: Jovan Sarmiento, Roland Ansao, Joseph Confederizo, Giovanni Dayo. Presented to Dr. Marquez Albina.
The components we use for AP7 temperature alarm is Arduino Uno R3, prototype shield, jumper cables, male to male 5 pieces, 1 buzzer, and 1 temperature sensor.
Good day everyone, this is the source code for the Arduino project number 7 by Undecided Group, which is a temperature alarm. Here in the 2 to 4th line of code, we have the declared variable, float, which is scene val, int, tone value, and unassigned long temp timer. That are the declared variables. In the void setup, we have the pin mode, which is the configure for the buzzer, which is the connection number 8, and the output instead of input. The serial begin 6000 9000 is the configure for the band rate for the Arduino and computer. Next, the void loop. The void loop is where the main program is. We have again declared the variable for value and data. In the value, we have analog read, which leads the input from this value. The data is equal to the formula for exchanging temperature to Celsius, the given temperature here, to voltage and then temperature. Next, we have the if loop, if else loop. Here, if the condition is met, this for loop will output to the Arduino the initial value, condition, and increment. Here is the converts the angle to a radian for the sine wave, and the tone value uses the sine function to vary the frequency of the sound. This tone plays the sound, which is the output for the buzzer. Delay is the duration of the small delay for each time tone change. Else, no tone, which means the sound stops. If this condition is not met, the data is greater than 27, then this if loop is the one that's shall be given. This if the top timer is greater than 500, this serial print will